Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and today we have an emergency call over here close by. This person has, I don't even know what kind of vehicle it is actually. They just said they think one of the bolts from their caliper came out or something from their vehicle. And we're going to go over there and check it out, see exactly what happened, and get it put back together for them. So it should be pretty fun, interesting little quick video, and we'll get this car back on the road for them. All right, so I just got over here. Here's the vehicle, and here's this pin in question. So on newer vehicles, mostly they have these calipers that have pins like this that hold the brake pads in. And this is one of those pins. It goes right there, if you can see, kind of like this one. So it's just gonna go straight in. And the little retaining pin that goes in here fell out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this tire off just for ease of being able to do it, and get this jacked up, get the tire off, and get this put back in, but it should be pretty quick. All right, here we are. I just got the vehicle jacked up. I almost said the 𝐒𝐫𝐢𝐵 up. I think that's where my dyslexia comes from. We'll get this jack staying under there, get our torque wrench and our impact. All we gotta do is take that tire off and find a little pin for that. Alright, so we've got that jack staying under there. They left the key out for this locking lug nut there, and we'll pop this tire off real quick. All right, so what happened here, most likely there's a pin. Oh, this is the same pin. I was gonna say, since this pin was looking like this, I was gonna say that pin probably broke and had another piece that attached there, but obviously it's just gonna go in like this. So this is gonna be it. It's gonna be a job done pretty fast here. It may have had another clip like this to spread it, so I'll let him know. And they can decide if they want to get new hardware for those brake pads. On some vehicles, they only ever have one of these regardless, so it may not even be missing that. If you know specifically, you can leave it in the comments down below. This is a Lexus IS 350, whether it has one of those pins missing or not, but we're going to go ahead and just slide this new one in. Should go in nice and easy if things are still lined up. Here. Just give it a little twist. Okay, that went in. I don't even need, I mean, all I needed was my impact to undo this. So we'll find this little clips place in here, and that other one in there. That should hold again for a while. Make sure that's not supposed to go on upside down or anything. It doesn't look like it is, because then it would get in the way of that pad. So that looks good, and that's how it was. Anyways, it's not like this thing could have spun, so it's got to go back in like that. I'll make sure this gets in all the way right here. I'm going to grab a pair of pliers, and that'll be a job well done. All right, so that's back in. I'm going to go ahead and put this tire back on. We'll torque it down. All right, so that was the easiest emergency call out I've had in a while. Pretty fun and a nice little change of pace to get out here and do something simple and just keep the day going by. So I'm Ernest. Thanks for watching. This is a job well done. Thanks to the channel members who support the channel. There's a few that are going to be missing there. We have to add a few from the past week. Thanks to everybody who supports the videos. We'll see you on the next episode. And here's the thing about Utah, just so everybody knows. I'm out here working in a short sleeve t-shirt because it doesn't feel very cold. But obviously it's pretty cold out here. I mean, some of this is melting, but it'll still be here tomorrow. And as long as you're in the sun, it's nice and warm. If you're in the shade, then it's freezing. And the winters, I mean, it's so dry. I mentioned it before, the difference between 60 degrees and 30 degrees isn't very noticeable. But thanks for watching again. Just thought you guys might be interested in knowing about that. We'll see you on the next episode.